put together a clean event. So I was like, all right, I want to do a networking event, right? And then what I wanted to do, I was like, I want it to be different. I don't want it to be boring.
I said, Tony, you better not leave these people with no type of opportunity, because I'm gonna make sure that they're inspired. But what are they gonna do?
Our sponsorship just sent these really cool business cards, and this is why I say this event is the future of networking, because the technology in these cards, and how you can just share contact information with just literally a tap of 2 phones together makes networking so much different. Look at these. We got all these dot cards, y'all. So we'll be giving away all these cards at the event right here. So dot, shout out to our sponsor. They literally go on the back of your phone, touch phones of somebody, your information, boom.
Alright everybody, so first things first, here is the check. And we probably only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 raffle tickets. Oh, 7 raffle tickets, so let's put it in here right there. Anybody else want to get a raffle ticket before we do for the prize? There, $5. Too late? Too late? You want one? I'm just letting them know. Return on investment, $5 for 500, wow. The number is 2. The second number is 6. The next number is 2. Ooh, da-da-da-da-da. Y'all ready for the last number?
There's a quote that I like to say is like, note takers are money makers. So if you're really serious about entrepreneurship, going to the next level, just get your notepad out, make sure that you're locked in and paying attention, and pretend like you spent $10,000 to listen to what you're about to hear, because this is some high level, billion-dollar, multi-billion-dollar information that we're about to share. Without further ado, I want to bring up someone that's very special to me, my boy, Jaleel Coleman. Come on up, brother.
I didn't come here to like play around. I didn't come here to waste time. I came here to give as much value as humanly possible to every single person that's in this room. And you know what they told me a long time ago? They told me that high energy equals high income. Is there anybody in the room that wants to make their first 6 figures? By showing hands, please. Give me. Okay. If I could just get 1% of $10 billion every single year, what would that number be for all my smart people?
100 million.
What?
100 million.
A what?
100 million.
100 million. What is your name? I am ready to take my family to the next level. Because the recession. Come on, say this with authority. The recession. Say this with authority. The recession. Will not. Recess. Me. Give yourself a hand. I want you to really believe this about yourself. I want this to be a framework of thinking that you tell yourself.
I want to ask you, who would you like to donate the money to? Do you have a charity in mind?
I think I want to donate to my church.
Your church? All right, so the money is going to Bassie's church, the Faith Center. Let's clap it up for Bassie, y'all, the Faith Center.
This is the guy right here. Y'all need to be rocking with him. If you're not, you sleeping, yo. You
Sleeping, man.
What if me making $1 billion company could lead all of you to make millions of dollars? Would that be worth my time to continue past the nose, yes or yes? Yes or yes? So that's what I'm doing.